Hello my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel VIDA Happy. Thank you so much for joining me on another one of my videos. If you're new here, I'd like to invite you to go ahead and subscribe and join our happy family. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Today we're going to talk about vision boards. A lot of people might already know what a vision board is, but I know there's a lot of people out there that might heard of it but don't really have an idea what it is, or maybe they've never heard of it. So today I like to explain to you how to make it and what it is and why you should make one. So what a vision board is, it's exactly what it's called. It's a collage of images and encouraging words of how you visualize your future life. You a lot of people can do this on either videos or a picture on your phone, like a phone screen, or a lot of people, what is most common, like to do a physical vision board. Um, in this vision board, you can draw or cut out pictures of your dreams, maybe your goals, but this is not really a goal tracker. This is more of like your dreams, achievements you want to reach. So, in your future life, and sky's the limit on this vision board. So, it's how you visualize your life. And in this vision board, you can set any goals, any topics. It could be spiritual, it could be travel, it could be professional, it could be money, anything you like to achieve or you dream of achieving. You can make this collage of images, drawings, words, phrases, and make your personal vision board of your life. It's kind of like where you frame your life, and you have this opportunity of kind of like playing when we were kids. You have the opportunity to frame your life and put whatever you want in that future life, and you have the opportunity to daily visualize it and see it, and it's more achievable because you're seeing it every day. So it's more likely that you achieve it rather than not. And you might not achieve everything on that vision board, but you will probably achieve more if you make it than if you don't make one. Why make a vision board? A vision board, a lot of people make it, and the reason why I've made it is to keep focus, to keep motivated, to stay motivated throughout the year. If you make it yearly, some people can make it for like 3 years or 5 years, but usually it's updated yearly. And it's exactly to keep focused, to stay motivated, to see it every day, and know what it is that you're working towards. Sometimes, for instance, in my experience, it's worked. It's worked wonders. And honestly, since I started doing vision boards, I've achieved more things than I didn't used to make um, when I didn't used to make my vision boards, or I didn't even know that they existed. But since I started doing it, I've achieved more in my life. I might not achieve everything I put in my vision board, but I do definitely achieve more than if I didn't make anything. Um, for instance, for this year, 2020, that it was so difficult, um, I did make a vision board, and of course, like, this year was hard for everybody. And at one point, I kind of relax and kind of let go because it was out of our hands. Everybody's life was out of our hands, out of each person's, didn't have control of their life because everything changed. So honestly, at one point, I just relaxed and I kind of let go of a lot of things. But I can tell you that I did achieve a few things on my vision board, and that is because I made a vision board. I really feel that I achieved those things because I made the vision board, and I stayed focused. And as I mentioned, if you don't achieve everything, it's not a reason to stress. You can always start fresh the following year, the next time you make another vision board. And it's just a board to stay focused, to know what it is that you're working towards, to keep yourself accountable of what it is that you are working what it is that you're working on. This is personal. This is not for anybody to know or for anybody to judge you. So it's just to keep yourself accountable and you don't forget that what your goals are and what it is that you're working so hard for. So in this vision board, you will stay motivated if you make it. If you make it, you will stay motivated. You'll find your own reasons why you made it. And the more you make them, the more practice you'll get, and you'll see the purpose of making the vision board. So, what materials will you need? As I mentioned, some people lately have made video vision boards. They can make like a screensaver vision board. You can make it with apps or whatever, kind of like a picture, a collage on your phone. Or you can make a physical vision board. Take a picture. Always also you can have it on your phone so you can see it every day, or as a screensaver so that every time you turn on your phone you can see it. But a few of the materials that you can use, for instance, is you can use a lot of these materials you might have at home, or you can work with what you have at home. A lot of people like to go out and buy stuff, but you can definitely work with what you have. Some years I've made it with like a cork board. You can make it on a whiteboard, dry erase whiteboard. You can make it on a picture frame. There's also like, let's say you find a big picture frame, you can put a cardboard on the back and do your vision board and then put it inside the picture frame. So all your pictures and everything will be behind glass. You can also use those picture frames that have different sections for different pictures, like a collage picture frame, and that looks really nice. You can also just use a regular cardboard. This is red. You can do it color themed, or you can do it just colorful on black paper or white paper. What I used last year were these that I had. You can also use different things. You can get creative. You can use paper. You can use tape, glue, different things to put everything together. You can use the tags, But for instance, I had these, and I had these little pins. And what I used these were for my saving goals, for my budgeting. So you can just get creative and use what you have. I put the pictures in here, and it looked really nice. I put it down because when we moved here. So you can use what you have. You don't have to spend, but you can definitely get creative. And as I said, you'll get the feel for it. How to make it. The way to make it is, first of all, you are going to brainstorm. This is a moment for yourself. This is, as I said, this is personal. So I really recommend for you to be by yourself, be relaxed on a peaceful atmosphere, and you're gonna write and brainstorm on your goals. As I said, sky's the limit. You can write anything you want as long as you stay realistic, like something that you really would like to achieve as a person. Like, I am not going to say I want to be a model if I'm short, So I am not going to put that on my vision board because I know I am not going to work towards that and I will not get there. So, but anything achievable, anything that you can work towards, anything that really attracts you, you can put it there. And it doesn't matter how much you think you won't achieve it and how far it is, or how or that it is a lot of money. If you want to have $1 million, I mean, you can put it there, but you will have to work towards it. You will have to work to attain that $1 million. So you're gonna brainstorm, you're gonna write everything, you're gonna pick different topics that you want your vision board to be focused on, like religion, whether if it's financial, or at work, or graduate from school, or anything that you want the topics to be. You're gonna write all that down. And this is a positive thing, so don't stress out. And don't let anybody judge you. That is one of the reasons why you should be by yourself, because you shouldn't be ashamed of what you put on your vision board. You don't want anybody making fun of you. You don't want anybody influencing on what it is you put on your vision board. Their goals and their dreams might not be yours, but if they're around and it's your partner, your husband, or whatever, you might feel like, oh, let me add this because that might be better for the family. So this is something personal. Of course, you can put family goals, family dreams, but they have to come from you, from your brain, from your heart, from your desire. So you also, at this point, when you're working on your vision board, you're gonna search for images either on magazines, but it's kind of limited. You can go online on Pinterest, Google, and print them. You should also look for phrases or words that are encouraging, that are going to keep you motivated, that are related to your vision board, and images that you like, whether if it's for fitness, stay healthy, or whatever it is, family trips, or whatever. You're going to search for all those images, cut them, draw them, whatever it is. If you're very artistic, you can probably draw or write really nice and decorate your vision board. And those quotes, those words are very important because those are going to keep you motivated and encouraged every time you look at your vision board. You shouldn't expect that this vision board, because you made the vision board, is just going to work. You have to work for that. So when you're done with your vision board, at this point is when you're going to sit down and plan how you're going to work towards those dreams. It's going to work out, but you have to sit and plan and dedicate that time to set those goals, to break it down. If you want that $1 million, let's just say, are we talking about this year or like in 3 years? If you're going to graduate from school, what is going to take to get there? What you're going to break it down. If you want to save $20,000, break it down into months. make a plan so you can work towards that dream. That vision board is going to keep you motivated. But you will have to work for those dreams, and it will happen. So if not everything happens, don't worry. Some of that might happen. So I'm pretty sure it will happen more than if you didn't make a vision board. So don't beat yourself if not everything on that vision board is achievable, or if you didn't reach everything. Don't beat yourself for that. Pat yourself in the back and be proud of yourself. You can add it onto your next vision board and keep working towards it. So those vision boards are a positive thing to keep you motivated, not to stress you out. Don't stress out. It's to keep you motivated, to enjoy making it, have fun making it, and have fun working towards those goals, towards those dreams. So let's be kids again and have fun doing all those arts and crafts and working towards those dreams. Let's just play. Let's have our brains rolling and enjoy life. Be happy, and I will see you in the next video. I hope you make those vision boards. Let me know if you make them. And again, I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.